Welcome back to Spelling Adventure with Miss Thee. If you know what this is, point to the letter on the screen. This is a rat. What letter is missing in rat? If you said R, you're right. This is mat. Mat. If you said T, you're right. Let's spell mat together. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Good job, guys. Tap the letter if you know this word. Fat. This word is fat. What letter is missing in fat? At. If you said A, you're right. Fat. F-A-T. Spell it with me. F-A-T. Tap the letter that's missing in wet. This is wet. If you said W, you're right. Wet. W-E-T. Spell it with me. W-E-T. Wet. Can you guess the letter that is missing in pet? Pet. What letter is missing in pet? If you said the letter T, give yourself a pat on the back. You're right. This one is jet. What letter is missing in jet? If you chose E, you're right. Let's spell jet together. J-E-T. Jet. This word is net. Net. I hear T. If you said T, hooray! You're right. The T is missing in net. Let's spell it together. N-E-T. Net. What letter completes the word nut? Nut. If you said N, you're right. Nuts. Spell it with me. N-U-T. Nuts. Tap the letter on the screen. That completes the word cut. Cut. What letter is missing in cut? If you said the letter U, you're right. Cut. Spell it with me. C-U-T. Cut. Well done. You guys did so good at Spelling Adventure. You spelled all of those 3-letter words. You guys did great. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.